Ooh, what do we have here? God is good. God is good. We know there's some car parts. TNT gang, what's poppin'? Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. I know, y'all tired of looking at them videos with me just talking. But like I said in those other videos, we can't always wrench on the car every day, man. So, I just want to bring y'all some content just to, just keep the dead spots from being there. Because y'all know I go without posting a long time.
Accurate.
But hopefully you guys are having a great day, man. Today we are going to work on the C10's dash right here. Got this bad boy right here. I got a dash cover on it. Let me see if I can take it off for you guys. I know I showed y'all before. If y'all ain't seen it before, go check it out. As y'all can see, it's not in too bad of condition. This is just hot glue, which I can pull that off. That pretty much, I guess, was holding on to this. The last guy, he did that. But as y'all can see, the mesh grill, the grill holes are messed up. And that's pretty much the most damage that we have on this dash is actually the grill, and then just a couple cracks. And that's the dilemma though, man. I really think that the dash pad is pretty decent, man. I just don't want to see those cracks and those big holes. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do the spray way just dropped the video. I'm gonna put it right here on the left hand corner, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the left hand corner so you guys can check it out. I'm gonna just try to go by what he was showing on those videos, because he did a dash. I think it was a Caprice. It was one of them. But pretty much, yeah, I'm gonna go by what he did. We're gonna fiberglass this whole dash. Make sure I'm gonna fill these holes up. I'm not gonna put any more speakers in the dash. I'm gonna pretty much probably try to go ahead and make speaker pods in the truck, because the dash speakers, man, I really don't like them, because they in between. You can't have no bass through them. Then you know what I'm saying. All they are really high. So all I usually do is just put tweeters in there. So I'm just gonna make sure that the dash is just pretty much flat, and maybe put like a bed liner, not a bed liner, but some kind of textured paint on there, and just make it black, man. Hopefully it work out good. This is gonna be a multi-part video. I'm not gonna get it all done today. As y'all know, that take time, man. And shoot, I don't do my videos like that. I break them up. Yeah, but yeah, we gotta head to the store. So let's go ahead and get a couple supplies that I need. And yeah, we'll come back and we'll get started on this. All right, let's go. Is it recording? Oh man. This is the next day. Y'all know how it is when you go to Walmart. Lord have mercy. Y'all just know they got the cheapest prices, but when you go to Walmart, you just got to go home and lay down. So this is the next day, and this is the stuff I got. All right, I got the Loctite.
You gay.
So I can lay down the felt that I got. Did I get felt or fleece? I got felt, I believe. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to fill the speaker grills up with. I don't know if I told y'all in the last clip, I'm not gonna go with any speaker grills on top of the dash. I'm just gonna go straight flat. Just leave it alone, make speaker pods. I think I told you that. Boy, I can't talk. I got the got some staples so I can staple this mesh up underneath as I put the foam on. And I got the 80 grit, and the felt is over there somewhere, but this is pretty much what I got. I'm gonna show y'all what I got over here. Sorry for the bad lighting. You know, I got everything jerry-rigged up. I actually broke my other little sawhorse thing that I had, so I gotta have it. I gotta have it set up over here like this. But first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this hot glue off of here that the other guy put on this dash pad, because I don't want to, you know, use my sanding pad on something like this. I can pull it off. I'm just gonna put a little heat to it and then pull this stuff off. All right, let's go ahead and get this done. Let's go.
You gay.
Oh, well, this wouldn't be a TNT garage video if something didn't happen wrong. This thing actually fell off my makeshift little stand here. And when I grabbed it, it just went on and cracked this thing on down the middle. You know, it didn't mess with the integrity of it, but it's still, man, it kind of hurt my feelings a little bit. But next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to level off, you know, these speaker grills and all the cracks and stuff like that. They're not that high, but I think I'd rather them be, you know, a little bit of a low spot than a high spot, because they kind of are up a little bit. I'm going to probably hit them with my Dremel, knock them down, you know, where they're real low. And then we're going to go ahead and get the staples, and we're going to staple behind there, and then we're going to fill it up with some foam, and then we're going to knock the foam down, and then we're going to put the felt down, and then we're going to do the resin, and then the fiberglass, and then we'll do the Rondo as spray away. He got a video on that. I'm gonna make sure I put that in the description so you guys can check out the whole process. I'm just doing it, you know, off of his video. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Like I said before in my other videos, put the disclaimer down. Your boy don't know what the heck he doing. I'm just trying my best, and hopefully this thing come out right. And two, we're not gonna all get it finished on this whole video. We're just gonna get step by step. We're gonna little bit by little bit, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna make just one video. I'm just gonna make it into parts. So let's go ahead and knock some of these cracks down with the Dremel, and then I'll cut you guys back on. But I'll probably show you a little bit of what I'm doing. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. What I end up doing right here, I put the mesh behind this one, I guess because it's the biggest one. But over here, I got lazy. I ain't feel like putting the mesh right there. Hopefully the tape will hold it up to where it doesn't just skeet all out the back. Help! And, you know, I'm just trying to fill up this crack. Not a crack, but, you know, this void right here. Because once we fill it up, we're going to go ahead and put the felt on top of it, and then we can fiberglass it. All right, let's go ahead and get this, some of this great stuff that fills up the 1-inch gaps. Let's go and put it in there. All right, let's go. Oh. we are back at it again. Another day, another grind. I guess the foam did what it was supposed to do. Might have went a little overkill on it, but it looks like it's dried up. And I'm gonna show you guys the material that I got. I got it. It was on sale. I think it was about $8 or $9. I think this is actually more than enough material. And what I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do in this episode because I got to make sure I knock all this down. I'm gonna make sure I get all this little glue off, even though it don't make no difference, because what we're gonna do, we're going to glue the actual fabric on to the dash so that we could put the fiberglass resin on there, and then we'll be back in business. Well, we'll be in business, I guess. Hey, I just hate that this happened right here, man. But hey, it's all good. I'm glad I'm fiberglassing it, and we're gonna make it look good. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, as you can see, we had a little mess up here. The middle wasn't all the way filled in. It had a big hole there. So I went on and filled it up a little bit more. But what we're gonna start doing now is hitting it with that DA. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some sandpaper, try to get this as level as possible. This one, I'm gonna probably have to wait for a while because it's still kind of cool outside. But these, I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock it down as flat as possible. This part right here, I don't think it needs to be knocked down, but, you know, it's pretty solid. You know, I'm thinking, you know, it ain't going to push through. So whenever we put the felt on top of it, we can go ahead and put the resin and be able to have these things deleted. You know what I'm saying? Just have the defroster vents and the VIN number hole, and we have the front little plate on here. I think this is going to be the hard part for me, is being able to you know, put the material down here without making it to where the plate won't go in here. Because y'all know it's a plate with the vents that go in these holes right here. So I think that's going to be the hardest part for me. But we're going to get it done. We're going to make it happen, y'all. We're going to get it, y'all. Let's go!
You stupid.
Okay, mi amigos, we have a stopping point. Yes, what we got here, we got it pretty much, you know, leveled off. And it's, you know, I couldn't wait, so I messed that up. But it's all good. I'd rather have low spots than high spots. What I did, I knocked it down with the DA. Tried to make it as smooth as possible. Even if I have any low spots, I believe whenever I put the actual fleece and the resin on top and the body filler and all that kind of stuff, I think it will work itself out. But that is it for today, guys. I know I didn't get it done and it looks pretty ugly, but I promise you, if I can get it anywhere close as Sprayway's, I'm gonna put his video in the description. Sprayway Customs, man. He the one that really gave me the idea to do this. I was gonna try to wrap it with vinyl, but that's even harder. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can fiberglass this thing and be like Sprayway. Sprayway, not hey. But hey, thank y'all for watching the video. If y'all like it, man, make sure you hit that like button. Hey, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna have a couple part video of this. If y'all wanna see the end results, you have to hit that subscribe button. You have to hit the notification bell. And make sure when you put the notifications on, hit all so you can get all my stuff. So you don't miss out on anything, because you know your boy gonna bring that heat, cuz. But hey, thank you. Oh my God, I knew I was gonna do it, y'all. I knew I was gonna do it. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych!